In this video, we're talking about question number 23 on the Geometry Arizona Merit Test. And this is basically a area sector question. It says, circle E is shown where E measures 0.44 radians and EF equals 7 inches. EF, of course, is the radius. What is the area of the shaded region to the nearest hundredth of a square inch? All right, I'm going to review with you, well, a couple of things. Number one, when I'm talking about radians, let's say this is the radius, okay? A radian, remember, is that distance, but it goes around the circle. So if I could put this, if I take this and go up here, how many of these radians will go around the circle? That's what it's talking about. So normally I say there's 360 degrees in a circle, and that is true. But another way of saying it is 2 pi radians is how many radians are in the circle. So it's, it's a little more than 6 radians that go around that circle, because 2 times 3.14, 6.28. So it's really 6.28 radians is the same as 360 degrees. Now you have to know that to solve this problem. You had to know that 360 degrees is the same as saying 6.28 radians. All right, so they're asking us, what is that area? And they're saying that's 7, and they're saying this right here, from A to B, we'll say, is 0.44. Okay, can you read that? 0.44. All right, here we go. The formula for the sector, right here, is the area of the sector divided by the area of the whole circle equals the measure of AB, we'll say, or whatever that arc is, divided by 360. All right, now look what we're going to do. We're going to substitute 360 for 2 pi radians, which is 6.28. I'll tell you right now, we're going to substitute that for 6.28, okay? Now, what is the area of the sector? Well, that's what we're trying to solve for. What is the area of the circle? Well, it's pi r squared, right? Equals the measure of AB is 0.44 divided by 6.28. All right? Now all we do is, cross multiply, whatever. So 6.28x is the same as 0.44 times 3.14 times the radius, which is 7 squared. And now that's a simple calculator problem. You multiply 0.44 times 3.14 times 7 squared is 49 equals, divided by, I'm just going to do this in one step, divided by 6.28. So divided by 6.28, and it's going to equal 10.78. And what are they asking us for? To the nearest hundredth of a square. Well, that's it right there. 10.78 square inches. All right? The other way you could have done it is to change that into, you could have changed radians into inches to begin with, but this is just another easier way to do it in my way of looking at it. If you want me to show you another way, come on up and I'll talk to you.